How to attract anything in 17 seconds using these advanced techniques. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. So we're talking about a system or a concept or a metaphor of manifesting in 17 seconds. Well, okay, so let's get into this. This is really very, very, very cool. You and I, we are vibrational beings. We are made up of energy. We are pure vibration. High flyers, what you see right here is only your eyes reflecting the light and the imagery and your brain making an interpretation. It's an interpretation that is not based on reality. As Bob Proctor oftentimes says, we are an ocean of motion. I love that term because what it really means is that we are constantly in vibration, constantly in motion. You are a vibrational being. Everything is vibrating. Think about it. You are vibrating. Everything around you is a vibrational energy. The universe, every planet, everything is nothing more than energy that vibrates. You and I, honestly, we really don't know what reality is. We think we do, but we really don't. We interpret reality based on the 5 elements. So high flyers, you are vibrating what I call a vibrational key. It's like a vibrational fingerprint. Each one of us has a different vibrational key. And here's the interesting thing about it. Each one of us has the ability to tune in our vibrational key to whatever it is that we desire. In other words, your vibrational key is not locked. It's not frozen. You're not destined to be poor for the rest of your life, or you're not destined to be without love for the rest of your life, or anything else. You have the ability to change your vibrational key, and that allows you to lock in to the infinite field of potential, to the universe, and create the life you desire and live the life that you crave. So high flyers, if you and I didn't have manifestation control over our reality, we could do nothing to change it. It would just, whatever your reality is, that's the way it is. You can't do anything about it. But the fact of the matter is, because we can adjust our vibrational key from our energy field, when we can do this relatively fast, I mean, without a lot of stress or challenge, because we can change our vibrational key, because we can change who and what we are, we have the ability to vibrate at a different frequency, and that allows us to change manifestation. It gives you complete manifestation control. So what I think is important is that manifestors, especially new manifestors, they're either focusing on the past, they're focusing on all their failures, as they call them, failures in the past, shortcomings. They're focusing on all the times that they've been hurt or let down. Or they're focusing on their fears, their doubts, their worries. I'm not sure this will happen. How do I know it will happen? Why should I invest my time if it's not going to happen? And think about it. The only thing you can do is control right now. We live in a state of perpetual now. The timeline that we live in it's an illusion, but it's an illusion that works for our 5 senses and for our physical reality. But in truth, everything that has ever happened, Everything that will ever happen is right now. It is right this moment to the universe, because the universe operates beyond space and beyond time. It is perpetually now. Now, that means that what you desire, the new car you desire, the new home you desire, the relationship you desire, it's right now. It already exists. It's already in your reality. All you need to do is tune your vibrational key just a little bit. Tune your vibrational key, and guess what? You are manifesting like crazy. You are living the life you desire, the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend on. So what we are doing is we are manifesting in the tradition and in the formula of the ancient tablet of Hermes, the emerald tablet. And you can Google it if you'd like, but the emerald tablet is an ancient document upon which many great men and women built their own personal empires, including the ancient Egyptians. It basically states, what I create up here must manifest down here. What I create in the invisible must manifest in the visible. Now, this is the important part, high flyers. Listen. What I create in the timeless, is manifested. Is not going to manifest. It is currently manifested in the physical. So high flyers, understanding that your vibrational key, your personal frequency, and what you tune yourself to taps into the invisible, and it pulls it out of the invisible where it's already manifested, where it already exists along with everything else that ever has existed or everything else that will exist, and it pulls it into the physical. I'm trying to make it as simple as I possibly can, but I think you get the point. So high flyers, I think when Abraham Hicks, in my own opinion, talked about 17 seconds, I've manifested much faster than that. I know a client who literally within the scope of a few seconds became a millionaire. So understand that 17 seconds, as I said in another video, I believe is a metaphor, but it's a good metaphor, and it has some practical applications. You and I, live in present moment reality. We need to always understand that. So when you wake up in the morning and you are coming out of another universe, you are tapping in to higher source, higher consciousness, okay, through your sleep and through your dreams. When you're tapping into that invisible, infinite energy called the universe, or the infinite field of potential, and you come down and you open up your eyes, boom, 17 seconds, you can manifest anything you desire. But maybe all you need is 9 seconds. Maybe all you need is 8 seconds. Maybe all you need is 3 seconds. But guess what? Because you and I live in the physical world, 17 seconds is enough time, but 34 is even better. Focused attention, keeping our attention absolutely pure, absolutely focused on one desire. Don't call me and write me and say, can I focus on 20 different desires? No, one desire for 17 seconds, the second your eyes open. But that is more challenging than it sounds. So here's how I'm going to help you get through this and make this work for you. This is an advanced system. I've been using it. Some of my clients have been using it. I love these techniques. So high flyers, this technique really works, and it puts you in vibrational alignment. So get yourself a cold air diffuser, something like this. This is a really nice one, but there are different sizes, different colors, different shapes. Get yourself a cold air diffuser. And what you're going to do is you're going to meditate as you fall asleep on one thing, one desire, one focus. And as you fall asleep, you carry that meditation, you carry that intention, you carry that focus into sleep. I like to amplify that focus by using this. Now this just fits over your head like so, and it's really nice because it's padded and it has speakers right here. So as this goes over your eyes, it kind of blocks out the light like so. So the light is all blocked out and you have the sound coming through. It's very, very comfortable. I really, really enjoy it. And you're going to put 639, 538. You're going to put some kind of frequency or music that attunes you, helps you feel connected to the vibrational key that you desire, that helps you feel connected to that new house, helps you feel connected to that better relationship, helps you feel connected to your soulmate. And we have plenty of them available. There are tons of them on the internet, on YouTube, everywhere. Find something that works for you and listen to it as you are meditating, as you are falling asleep. So number one, you are visualizing and you are meditating. I believe you should use some music or earbuds that have affirmations in them. Find something that works for you on the internet. I like the 639 hertz. I think that is the best for me. It works for me. It attunes me to a higher state of consciousness, but it opens me up specifically to whatever intention I put into it. So whatever I'm visualizing and thinking about as I'm falling asleep and I'm listening to that 639 hertz, it's wonderful. Okay, so now I'm bringing this energy into sleep. Now, my cold air diffuser is set on a timer. You can get a small timer. There are a couple bucks somewhere. Set it for 4 a.m., 5 a.m., an hour or two before you get up. Now, when you wake up in the morning and you start coming to the surface, you're not awake yet. You're coming to the surface, though. You're smelling that natural fragrance, the fragrance that you have, here's an NLP term, anchored to your prosperity, the fragrance that you have anchored to love or wealth or abundance or whatever it is for you. More importantly, as you start to wake up, the fragrance is reminding you to have that clear, concise focus for 17 seconds or longer. Okay, you've tuned your brain all night long. Now you wake up, you have that aromatherapy going, and it's on a timer. It starts before you wake up. I also like to have a candle as a symbol, but I don't have it lit. I just have a nice big candle there that I've meditated on. So as I look at that candle, there is the symbol, and boom, I just look at that candle. It doesn't have to be lit. I'm smelling the aroma. I have the dreams that went through my mind at night, and I'm focused. I just close my eyes and focus for 17 seconds. Pure energy, pure focus on my intention, as if it were already present in my life, as if it's already manifested. You see, if you wake up and you come to consciousness and you think a bunch of thoughts, you get up, go to the bathroom, and come back, you don't have that pure, absolutely clean consciousness of 17 seconds when you first wake up, or 9 seconds, or 20 seconds, or 34 seconds, or 68 seconds. You don't have it. It's not pure. So I'm giving you tools to make it pure. So the moment you wake up, you're right into consciousness. You're right into your intention. You feel it, you breathe it, you live it, and you hold that intention for as long as you possibly can. And eventually another thought will come in your mind. Eventually, you'll have to do something. You'll realize it's time to get up and go to work. But if you can hold that for 17 seconds, 20 seconds, 25 seconds, you are manifesting like you're on steroids. It's powerful, it's incredible, and it works. So high flyers, this advanced method really works. Using the aromatherapy, using the sound activation or the music or the vibration music as you fall asleep, the visualization as you fall asleep, the candle or a symbol on your, you can have a picture on your ceiling or on your dresser so that the moment you wake up, you see that, you smell that, you feel the energy, you're right there in pure consciousness. Pure consciousness, high flyers, pure consciousness is worth thousands of hours of work. All these man hours that you are investing, they're important, but they're not as important as 10, 20, 30 seconds of pure consciousness every single morning. This is the way to manifest. This is how you're going to take your life to the next level. Thank you so much. By the way, be sure and visit our website, miraclehypnosisonline.com. We have all kinds of tools there for you. Miracle Hypnosis Online. Claim your 7 days free. Miracle Hypnosis Online. Hey, and be sure and subscribe here. We love you. Give us a thumbs up. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.